This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Deborah Pavlik. Elegant renovation, impact glass French doors. Bright kitchen boasts center island west/23 inches deep cabinets, 2 deep drawers, 39 inches upper cabinetry. Enclosed sunroom for additional living space. Wood grain 24x12 tile. Plantation shutters. Gorgeous master bath west/walk-in shower, dual vanity, newer mirror, and lighting. Remodeled guest bathtub/shower west/inlay, vanity, lighting, mirror. No popcorn ceilings. Upscale, tasteful furniture, furnishings, decorative items, all are included. Very active community with private day dock/pier on the St. Lucie River, lush grounds, clubhouse complex west/sparkling pool, 2 other pools in community, exercise room, billiards, club room, ballroom, tennis, and pickleball courts, bocce, shuffleboard, library, kayak storage. Plus perfect Stuart location, mini residence walk/bike to Fresh Market, cafes, restaurants, library, theaters, plus just 5 minutes to downtown Stuart and beaches. Looking for an investment? Seasonal rent approximately $4,000 per month. For more information, review the details below or contact Deborah Pavlik at 772-283-2800.